Let's make some chocolate dipped pretzel rods. Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. I've got the supplies that we're going to be using laid out on my table here. We've got parchment paper, a baking sheet, of course our pretzel rods. This is what we're going to be baking. And then I've got two flavors, peanut butter and dark chocolate. We are going to be double dipping our pretzel rods. Some fun sprinkles, and then two microwave safe bowls, some spoons, and a rubber spatula. I'm going to start by lining my baking sheet with some parchment paper, and I'm going to set that aside. First, we're going to melt our peanut butter chips, and according to the package, we want to microwave at 50% power for 1 minute and then stir and return for 30-second intervals, stirring each time until the candy is melted. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to put it in my microwave safe bowl and take it to the microwave. My peanut butter chips were in the microwave for about 2.5 minutes total, and you can see it is nice and smooth. So now we can start dipping our pretzel rods. Now I can't really dip them in the bowl, so that's why I have this spoon to help me. And you want to cover about 3/4 of the rod. And then we're going to lightly tap off the excess. And then we can lay it on our cookie sheet to harden. And we're just going to repeat that with all of the rods. Now before we add the chocolate layer, we want to make sure that this first peanut butter layer is good and hard. So I'm going to throw this in the fridge for just a couple of minutes. Now we can coat in the chocolate, and we're just going to do it the same way. And then we even have some fun sprinkles that we can add on top. I'm done coating my pretzels, but I don't want to package them until they are completely dry. These are right out of the fridge, so the chocolate is set, and there are a couple different options when it comes to packaging. There are these little 1 by 8 inch bags, and these almost look like they're going to be too small. Yep, those are too small for at least my pretzel sticks, so those aren't going to work. But I did find these little 4 by 9 treat bags, and I thought these would work really well. So we can just put a couple in there, however many you want. Even these are a little short to like put the twist tie on them, but you could always just tape them back and give them like a cute little note for neighbor gifts. But aren't those so cute? They're so yummy, and they are super cute to gift. And of course we have to eat one, because why not? They're so good, you guys. So good. So if you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to visit my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.